I'm Randy and I make candy, and today I'm making spooky Halloween treats. Stick around. Greetings, my confectionery creepy crawlies, and welcome to Randy Makes Candy, where I help you make tasty treats that people love to eat. Today we're here in the laboratory of the Candy Castle making eyeballs and ghosts. Okay, they're more of a peanut butter truffle or buckeye, but if you want to make a fun Halloween treat, these are hard to beat. See what I'm saying? Look, I'm Mad Eye Moody. If there's something you'd like to see me make, please let me know in the comments section. Okay, let's make this happen. For these recipes, you'll need 100 grams of creamy peanut butter, 28 grams of room temperature butter, 1/4 teaspoon vanilla extract, 112 grams of confectioner sugar, 170 grams of white melting wafers, some plain chocolate M&Ms, some candy eyes, and some red decorating gel. You'll see a black edible marker there, but I'm not recommending it. You'll see why in a bit. You'll also need a baking tray or cutting board covered with parchment, silpat, or waxed paper, a couple of bowls. I'm using a mixer, but you can do this by hand if you'd like. A heating pad to keep the white chocolate nice and melty, a scoop or a spoon, and a precision dipping tool. Okay, let's make some candy. Add the peanut butter and butter and mix it thoroughly. Add in the vanilla. And add the confectioner sugar and mix it until it fully incorporates. Or should I say incorporates? No, I probably shouldn't. Scoop up some dough and shape it into balls for the eyeballs and little mountain or bell shapes for the ghosts. I used about twice as much dough for the ghosts as for the eyeballs. Turn on your heating pad and melt the white chocolate in the microwave according to directions. The heating pad is a nice to have, not a need to have. If you don't use a heating pad and the white chocolate starts to thicken, just return it to the microwave for a few seconds to let it get melty again. The ghosts need a double dip, so we're going to start with them. Take a ghost center and dip the bottom into the white chocolate coating. Instead of draining all the excess coating like we usually do, try to keep some of the excess on there by rotating the truffle as you move it to the cutting board. Place it coated side down and let the excess coating pool around it. Once all the ghosts get their bottoms dipped, move on to the eyeballs. Drop an eyeball into the white chocolate and roll it around until it's fully coated. Remove it, letting any excess coating drip off, and return it to the baking sheet. As you return each dipped truffle to the baking sheet, place an M&M plain side up on top of it. Once all the truffles are coated and the M&Ms are in place, your ghosts should be ready for their second dip. If not, give them a minute or two. If necessary, you can put everything in the fridge for a few minutes to set. Once the coating is set, dip the top of the ghost, ensuring full coverage. Drain the excess coating and place it back on the cutting board. By now, the eyeballs should be ready. Use the red gel to create a bloodshot effect. Now, I'm no artist, but that's not really necessary here. Just paint some lines, straight, crooked, separate, connected. It's hard to do this wrong. Once the coating on the ghosts has set, Dab a little of the melted coating on the back of the eyes and put them on the ghost. And that's it.
Perfect.
Okay, these are ready. Let's try one. I think I'll have an eyeball. Slancheva. A little crunch going through the white chocolate, chewy peanut butter mixture inside, pop of chocolate from the M&M, a little salt from the peanut butter. It's got a little bit of everything. You really ought to try these. Here's my attempt to use the marker to draw eyes and a mouth on a ghost. To you decorating experts out there, if I'm doing something wrong, please let me know, but that marker did not work at all for me. If you enjoyed our time together, please like, share, and subscribe. Click the bell if you want to be notified when new videos come out. I'd love to hear about your results if you decide to make your own spooky peanut butter truffles, as well as suggestions for what you'd like to see in future videos. And you know why you don't see skeletons hosting their own YouTube channels? They don't have the guts. I hope you'll join me next time. Here's my attempt to use the marker to draw eyes. To you decorating I'm rapping.